find me in the garden, trample flowers with my feet. The oceans will see and have no reprieve for the weak and the damned. The creatures of the sea will make homes of the bones that drift endlessly as far as the eye can see. Meet me in the valley, see me pass on the street. You'll find me in the garden, trample flowers in my feet. The mountains sink into the earth, and amidst the tumbling dirt, the stragglers clutch their young, as if there's something to be done. Or will it be just this, just white doors, white light in the pain? Will they record the descending of the Lord with a black box that contains the echoes, the shouts, the strains of the last? Or will it be just this, just white doors, white light in the deep? Meet me in the valley, pass on the street. You'll find me in the garden, trample flowers beneath my feet. You heard the stories of me, you know what I can do. I take the embers of man's anger, and there's nothing I can't spin them into. You heard me whisper to you, I see you recognize my face, a familiar voice calling out from the empty space.